Welcome to this demonstration of Aviatrix Copilot. What I want to show you guys today is the enhancement we've made to domain segmentation, which is located under security, to really provide additional capabilities for those of you who operated in protected environments. So we have a number of customers who may have hundreds or thousands of individual security domains. And this is usually used to ensure that we provide granular level support to help to isolate, ensure that only certain endpoints can communicate with other endpoints. But as you can understand, as you add more security domains and additional gateways, both the physical and the logical view for domain segmentation can get really confusing to really understand that flow. Just a little bit of additional information here is you can see that the node types, the circles are going to be spokes, and the squares are going to be site to cloud connections. And so just a little refresher, dev in this case is yellow, egress is purple, prod is blue, QA is pink, and staging is more of a teal kind of blue. So in this example, if I wanted to understand if I have any development security domain communicating with a prod domain, so in this case, I'm going to say dev in a specific host, spoke one, and I want to see if it's communicating with production. And so what I can see is that I have the spoke gateway here in dev is able to communicate with an Azure spoke as well as an IRE spoke gateway. Both are those spokes being in a production security domain. And so if this was an issue where I needed to make sure that this development instance couldn't speak to those production instances, then I would reconfigure my security domain to ensure that this communication path was closed down within the controller. Additionally, I can see the actual physical path of the gateways that are allowing this communication when I click the physical view. And so here you can see in GCP, spoke 1 goes over the GCP transit, and then it's able to reach that Azure spoke via the Azure Transit FireNet, and then to the IRE FireNet Transit is how it's able to then reach the IRE spoke. So in this instance, if I wanted to I wanted to restrict communication here, I could make sure that that rule got configured so that this GCP transit no longer allowed this spoke to communicate with this production segment. So leveraging these filtering capabilities, enterprises in these protected information environments can really quickly and easily be able to understand which endpoints can communicate with endpoints, but also provide that for an audit and validation perspective going forward. Thank you.